Hello everyone, I'm Seto Kaiba. Today I want to introduce the IDE plugin developed by me. It's called Danmaku, and it's a plugin for cloud comment. Danmaku is an IDE plugin for you to share your experience with the community by adding Danmaku or comment. It's inspired by the video sites Bilibili, Niconico, and qidian. And with Danmaku, you can register and log in, edit the profile and the avatar, and you can add Danmaku to the specified line of codes. And also, Danmaku will be shown for the specified line of codes even the line number is changed. That means if a new commit is committed to the Git repository, as long as the line is not changed, but the line number is changed, the Danmaku will still show for the correct line. And also, it will show Danmaku count beside the line number. You can have a quick preview. And also, it will show the Danmaku count beside the file number in the project view. And you will know how many Danmaku in the files, in the codes. And also, you can like or unlike your Danmaku. This is for the whole world to see the tooltip. You can hover the Danmaku count or the line to see the tooltip of the top like Danmaku. And also, you can leave your Danmaku for file or folder. And also, there's a rank for the source Danmaku. And you can rank the repository by the Danmaku count, rank the repository by the line count, and rank the user by the Danmaku count, and also rank the user by the line count. And also it supports all kinds of Git repository. For example, GitHub, BitBucket, and GitLab, and even the private server you deploy yourself. And also, it's compatible with all JetBrains IDE. For example, IntelliJ IDE, Android Studio, Pycharm, or Rider, or any other JetBrains IDEs. And also, it will compatible with the most popular IDE, Visual Studio Code. Here you can see the simple usage instruction. But in this video, I will demo it for you. So let's get started. And also, if you find a bug of the plugin, or if you have any feature requests, you can leave the feedback here. And also, there's a Chinese introduction of the plugin. Okay, let's begin. Here is the Visual Studio Code, and you may know that it's one of the most popular IDE, and you can install it from the marketplace and input Danmaku, and you will see the plugin and click install. Okay, it's installed, and you can see here. And you will see a new pane, Danmaku Explorer, and also let us to check out what is the exactly the Danmaku is. Here is a file, and you can press Ctrl Shift and P to call the commands, and here we choose the first command, source Danmaku toggle, and you will see that after toggle the source Danmaku, and you will see the Danmaku view. Here, there's the Danmaku leaf on the lines, and also the Danmaku drop for the lines. So with source Danmaku, you can share your Danmaku or common with others. Anyone with this repository will share the experience with you. Okay, let's see. Here, for this LAN, you can see there's a Danmaku for it, but it's in Chinese, but it doesn't matter. And you can click here, show Danmakus. And if you open the window in the browser, and you can see the actually Danmaku on the LAN. And also you can leave your LANs here. But if for the first time, maybe you have not registered or logged in, and it will like this. You can drop a Danmaku or comment on it. First, you can register, or if you have an account, you can just log in. I can log in. Okay, after login, you can see that you can drop your Danmaku on it. Okay, let me have a try. Test Danmaku for demo. Okay, if you have multiple remote repository, and you can choose which remote you want to drop the Danmaku on. That's for if you fork a repository. So you may like github.com something / mlagents.git, but you may want to share with others for the original repository. So you can choose your repository and also input the captcha DQ6XP and add Danmaku, and you can see your Danmaku will be here. And also let's get back to the IDE, and you will see that there's 2 Danmaku on it, and you can see when you hover, you will see the new Danmaku you leave for this LAN. So maybe someone will spam the Danmakus. So how to let the people to see what's actually helpful for them? So we can get back to this wheel, and you can like this command. After you like this Danmaku, you will see the most highest Danmaku with the Danmaku with highest like count will be shown when you hover your mouse on the LAN, on the count, and you will see the most like comments. But if you have 2 common with the same line count, the same line count, and you will see the latest. So we can just delete them because it's for demo. Confirm. Okay, get back here. You can see Danmaku for the LANs. So you can see the Danmaku or comments on the code, and also even if it's modified in the original repository, you pull the latest commits. For example, if you become 3087, but the Danmaku will still show in the correct place for the LAN. And also, here you can see if there whether there's a Danmaku on the file. So we have a Danmaku Explorer. Okay, you can refresh the Danmaku Explorer here. Refresh Danmaku Explorer, and let's switch back. Switch back, you will see in the ML agents, trainers. Okay, the chainness is this folder, and you will see there's a description here for this file. It means that the file is with one file Danmaku and 17 Danmakus for code. What's the meaning of the file Danmaku? And you can right click here and show file Danmakus. The file Danmaku is not combined to any specific file code. Instead, it's for the specific file or folder. So someone may see that for this file, this is Chinese, but in English it's the it means that when you see this, and you can see, oh, for model stock py, and it's the model for the share code. For example, the observation encoder. So with this plugin, you can learn open source projects more easily because you can see others' Danmaku, others' comments, and you don't have to read the code from the beginning yourself. Instead, you can read the codes with others' experience. And also you can see for this folder, there's a one file Danmaku. Yes. They are similar. And also you can see this is file Danmaku. And also for this file, you can see it has 10 Danmakus. And also you can Control Shift key and toggle. And you will see the Danmakus on the file, on the code, and you can learn from others. Okay, here's the demonstration of the Visual Studio Code, and also in the let's show Danmakus. Here, you can edit your user profile, upload your avatar, change your name, change your email or password, and also you can see the rank here. That means the first repository is with 1042 Danmakus, and you will see the ranks here, so you can learn from others. You know where which repositories is containing Danmakus. Okay, the demonstration for the Visual Studio Code is finished, and let's see the JetBrains IDEs. For non-writer IDE, I use Pycharm to have a demonstration. It's the same to the IDEA, Android Studios, or other JetBrains IDEs except Rider. Okay, click here, File, Settings, and you can install from the marketplace. Just input Danmaku. Okay, maybe there's some problem with my network. When you can search the plugin, you can set a plugin repository from the home site, and you can see here is for the IDEA and other JetBrains IDE except Rider. And this is for Rider. You can set up this and OK, and you can see repository, and you can see the custom repository, And also you can see the plugin from the marketplace. So source Danmaku. Let's remove this. Okay, let me fix my network. Please hold on. I'll fix it on my phone. Okay, Danmaku. Okay, you can see it's from the marketplace, and you can install it. Okay, maybe there's some kind of the problem on my network. Again, cancel and install. Okay, the level is normal now. After install, you can see. Okay, let's restart the IDE. Restart. Okay. You can right click here and show stomach. Okay. Just hold on. Okay, you will see it's the same with the Visual Studio Code. It will show the Danmaku for the lines, and also for JetBrains IDE, it's usual. It will just show the description here. You don't have to open a pane for it. Just see here. And also you can show Danmaku. Wait, maybe there's some problem with my network again. I cancel the proxy on the phone, and then open it again. You can see the Danmaku here. It's totally the same. And also you can click here. It will open the web view. Instead of open the browser for Visual Studio Code, for JetBrains, if you open the web view, I want to open the web view for the Visual Studio Code as well, but the web view with the Visual Studio Code is with lots of issues for remote sites. So for Visual Studio, we use browser. For JetBrains IDEs, we use web view. Okay. We try to leave Danmaku here. Test Danmaku. For Pycharm. Yes, 2P3A. Okay, you can see that here. You can see the latest if the light count is the same, and also if you like this, and you will see the Danmaku with highest like, and also you can delete it or add it or just delete. That's simple. Okay, and for the last IDE writer, let me open the proxy again to install the plugins. Here, settings, and marketplace, Danmaku. And remove the okay, no custom plugin repository, and install it. Okay, restart. Okay. Show Danmaku. Okay, you will see the Danmaku for it. Okay, you can see here Danmaku for this line, Danmaku for other line, and you can share your experience with others. But for writer, the description is only shown in the solution view because there's no way to extend the Unity view and the file system view. Here, solution. And you can see here, there's 1042 Danmaku for this file. Because for this file, I just comment nearly every line of the actual code for others to learn this example. In Chinese, maybe in the future I will add a filter for language, but for now it's not with this feature. But I think it will actually help others to learn the open source projects with these plugins. Okay, for the free IDs, the demonstration are all finished. Okay, let's get back here. If you have any feedback, you can leave your feedback here. Just new an issue for it. And also, for this plugin, it will be useful if everyone uses it, but it will be useless if no one uses it. So here, I actually hope everyone will try this plugin and share your experience with the community of the open source project community. Okay, thank you. And please please share my plugin with others and tell others to share experience for the open source projects. Thank you.